Hey you guys, welcome back. If y'all hear Billy in the backyard, that's because he's in the backyard and he's barking. He smells cooking. So today is gonna be more like a little of a packing vlog, because everybody know that we are moving. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment to the video. As y'all can see in the background, we have took everything off the walls and everything is getting packed up and ready or whatever. You see a box over there, and y'all can see Billy right there. Moo is doing so well. We actually out here and we cooking our Sunday dinner. As y'all can see, we got cabbage going, we got broccoli and cheese, macaroni shells. There is Moo. We got the King Hawaii rolls or whatever. As y'all see off in here, y'all see I got my extra desk that's packed up or whatever is took down, and then he done came over here. You guys look, he down there. and be quiet, Billy. Be quiet. We got a chair over here, and we done packed up some stuff over there. Oh yeah, and we got our meat. And now we gotta smother it. Now we haven't packed up all our seasonings and all that shit, y'all. So we still gotta take stuff out of the cabinets. We still gotta take out the glasses and everything down. Y'all, you guys, I done sold my furniture. So we put Moo bed here in the living room. We gotta take down the TV. We got all that. We took everything out from over here or whatever. Everything over here is for King. Y'all see all the furniture is gone. I done sold it or whatever. I sold it on OfferUp. Put it on OfferUp, and it sold like the same day. So all that stuff is here. Okay, that's fine, baby. And we see all King stuff. All his clothes and stuff is in that big box. And then we have his little and clothes is in that basket, and we got a Pampers and little shenanigans. As we walk over here, you see all the pictures are off the wall or whatever. Everything is took down over there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this tape. I think I'm gonna throw it away. I don't know yet. Still got that up there. And then as we walk down the hallway, you see it was pictures up here. So those are gone. And then come off into my office area. Everything is packed up, you guys. I took everything off the walls. Hey mama, hey daddy, love y'all. That's my guardian angels. You know, I got to keep my queen's action because we got a little office area inside the place that we moving into. And I gotta get all this stuff together to see what I'm gonna do with it. Y'all, I don't know, because this is like basically a 5-bedroom. Got some shoes left or whatever. They have to get sold. And then when you walk up into, cut the lights off because I still have light bill. When you walk up into my room, still packing. My daughter medicine, still packing, but I ain't packed all of my perfumes and all that good stuff. And then tissues, boxes up there. You guys, all that gotta get packed or whatever. Closet, closet area, everything is down. As y'all looked off into basically the other videos, so it was full with perfume and everything up there. So we just put like the little stuff that we do use up here. So yeah, everything is packed up here. Closet look a mess, you guys, so don't go. So because we didn't packed up, we didn't took down all the pajamas, all that stuff. We gotta take down all the bags. I didn't took down half of the bags, so I gotta take down all of that. And all those bags up there, clothes, tea clothes, she takes all her stuff to the cleaners. And yeah, we got to get all this together, you guys. So work with us and follow us. We got to take this TV down off the wall. That TV, unfortunately, that TV would not be in our room. We're getting a new oh, excuse me, we getting a new TV. So this is going in Zerik's room, basically. And this bed, it'll be going in Zerik's room. Also, I don't want to show y'all my daughter's room because she absolutely have not cleaned up her room yet. And and their bathroom is gonna get took down and all that stuff too. But yeah, I'm just gonna glance up in there. Well, you guys, her room, I was straightening it up. Yeah, she was straightening it up, but her bed is getting sold because she wanted. Her bed is getting sold because she's getting a new bed also. And you see, she's kind of taking everything out what she's going to go give to what she's going to go get. What's that, Plato's Closet? So she's going to get half of her stuff to Plato's Closet and stuff like that. We got to take her TV down. And her closet, oh my God, you guys, she got so many clothes and stuff. That's all she do is shop. I can't even open it, but she got shoes all up there. She got clothes. She got all kind of bags, that Shein bags, you guys, Fashion Over pink stuff that she ain't never even wear. Like, she just, all these, half of these clothes are new, you guys. I'm trying to tell y'all, half of them are new. That's all she wear. Okay, so by Queen's Reaction, if y'all want to go get some drip, you feel me? Let me see them. Those are the custom Gucci print Air Force Ones, you guys. I sell those. So if y'all want to go visit, I'm gonna drop the link. She got her a pair or whatever. So if y'all want to go get some drip, y'all go hit up www.queensreaction.com. But yeah, that's our packing vlog, you guys. We ain't fully finished. Let's see. Zerik's room. Y'all, I almost fell. There go Nine. Hey, Nine. Zerik's room. He say he gonna be finished before everybody, you guys. So this is Zerik's room. This is another room. He got, I don't know what he got going on, but this is Zerik's room. He a boy, you guys. He gotta pack up all these clothes. He get them out the washer and he literally just throw them. Boom! He just throw them like, Zerik, what are you doing, my boy? What are you doing? Like, get this shit up, okay? That's why I bought him this sign, danger. Messy room ahead, danger. Because, boys, okay? I told him when we move, you cannot have none of this. This right here, this right here, nigga? No, okay? So I stay on him a lot about that or whatever. But for the most part, you know, we took everything down. And we just doing Sunday dinner because my kids can't miss a Sunday dinner nor TT, y'all. That's my fiance, y'all. She can't miss no Sunday dinner. And that'll be it for this vlog. Say hey to Billy. Hey, Billy. Hey, Billy. Yeah. And another thing, you guys, so what we moving to, we hate it, but we definitely have to get rid of Bentley. Because first of all, Bentley is too big. And we have a baby coming in the house, so we definitely have to get rid of Bentley. We've been indecisive about it. Like, we just gonna let him sneak in or whatever. But he barks so loud, you guys, and not only that, he just like super big, so nobody can't miss him. So with that being said, yeah, this is probably the last vlog that y'all will see Bentley in. We hate that we have to give him away, but unfortunately we do. We love our Bentley. We've been having Bentley since, oh my God, since he was little. And I insert a picture right here. But yeah, that's our Bentley. So, but we have to get rid of him, you guys. He's super loud, and we have the baby king coming in, so gotta get rid of my boy. Yeah. But until further ado, we love y'all. Continue subscribing, y'all. We are highly and appreciated of all the support, all the new subscribers, all the new followers, you guys. And we will be coming up with our family channel. So if y'all come up with a name, or if y'all know any names that we can put for our family channel, please list them down below, or please DM me on my Instagram right here. Go follow me on my Instagram. Then follow Moo on her Instagram right here. Like I said, if y'all want some custom drippers or whatever, that'll be in a link below. All the websites and stuff be in a link below, so y'all can hit that link or whatever and support us. Baby King, we still trying to figure out what register we should get for Baby King. I'm so sorry y'all for Bentley, y'all. He just so active. He smelled the food and he just y'all know how it is. But if y'all have a dog, you understand. But yeah, we still trying to figure out a register where we want to have Baby King registered for, because I know I get a lot of DMs on Instagram with people asking me to send stuff. But we trying to wait till we move to Houston, because we have a P.O. box out here. But we trying to wait till we get to Houston in order to start getting stuff sent out there to our Houston address. So we would definitely have that for you guys. And not only that, nephew, he in the garage. TT, she on her way to the house from work. She got off at 6:30. So yeah, it's about 7 o'clock, and it take her like 30 minutes. So 30 to 45 minutes depending on, you know, traffic out here where we at now. But it's not, it's today's Sunday, so it ain't no traffic. So she'll be here, she should be pulling up pretty soon or whatever. So we'll be posting more when we get to Houston. We kind of stopped posting on our couples channel, so just go subscribe to that channel, you guys. T and Diamond Vibes, you guys. We'll start posting more on that channel when we move to Houston. And we definitely going to do a Vlogmas. So we're going to do the Vlogmas this year, but it's going to be, you know, in Houston. So we getting prepared for that. That's why we trying to get everything out the way so we can have everything. I know that I'm talking a lot, but we got a lot going on. Moo is doing fine. Baby King is doing fine. They home. They about to eat Sunday dinner or whatever. And I'm back on my mission to work. And y'all, thank y'all for all the support again. We really love y'all. Thank y'all for all the comments. You know, my daughter really appreciate that, y'all. She shared tears or whatever. She's sensitive because, you know, it be the strangers that support you more than family and friends that you do have. And we appreciate it all. The support that y'all give us, and it's just amazing because you never think that the people that you don't even know that will support you or whatever. And we love y'all, gang. And there's nephew. Say what's up to the gang.
What's good, you?
Yeah, he be on a mission, y'all. Look, he be on a mission. He be from one place to another. Shut the back door. Oh, he done ran out there, you guys. Look. Oh, Bentley, what are you doing? Jesus. Yeah, I don't know what. Move. Oh my God. Look at Billy. He wastes all his water on me. He turned over his. Jesus, why he so high?
Come on, get up
So this will be the last time he jumping on that trampoline, you guys. Because we're getting rid of that thing. He can't get up there. Move, Billy. Don't come over here playing with me. Move. Billy, don't play. You already got water on me, dude. See what I'm saying, y'all? Billy is super hyper, you guys. Like, y'all look at my leg. It's like wet. So like, Billy is super hyper, and we're not gonna have a backyard video, but I explained that to y'all what happened with the house in another video, because I have to go, y'all, because TT on her way, and I gotta really make sure that my kids and my fiance have their plates ready, y'all. Of course. But thank y'all. I love y'all. My family love y'all, and I am out, gang. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We love y'all. Until further ado, I'm out.